How to copy Facebook profile link. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. Then open up Facebook on a device. Now simply tap on your profile icon or tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on your name. Now on the profile page, next to edit profile, tap on three dots. Now under profile settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on copy link. Now tap on continue. You can share the link with your friends or family. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.